Hi children, how are you children? Welcome to our English online class children. Are you ready for your class children? Let's start. Our today's letter is V. V. Today we are going to learn the letter V both in capital and small. Before going to our letter V, let's quickly revise the letters from A to U which we have learnt in our previous classes. Let's start revising them children. Repeat after me children. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Capital E, small e. Capital F, small f. Capital G, small g. Capital H, small h. Capital I, small I. Capital J, small j. Capital K, small k. Capital L, small l. Capital M, small m. Capital N, small n. Capital O, small o. Capital P, small p. Capital Q, small q. Capital R, small r. Capital S, small s. Capital T, small t. Capital U, small u. So we have learnt the letters from A to U both in capital and small to write as well as to identify. Hope you are perfect in writing the letters from A to U children. Now let's go to our today's class. Our today's letter is V. Which letter is this children? V. Repeat after me children. Capital V, small v. Capital V, small v. V for vacuum cleaner. V for vacuum cleaner. We use vacuum cleaner to clean our house. Vacuum cleaner cleans our house. Vacuum cleaner cleans our house. V for vegetables. V for vegetables. Vegetables are good for health. Vegetables are good for health. V for violin. V for violin. Violin is a musical instrument. Violin is a musical instrument. V for vase. V for vase. We use vase to keep flowers. We use vase to keep flowers. V for vulture. V for vulture. Vulture is a bird. Vulture is a bird. V for van. V for van. Van is a means of transport. Van is a means of transport. Now let's learn how to write capital V and small v. Mark a downward slanting line, then attach that downward slanting line with an upward slanting line. It becomes our capital V. Mark a bigger downward slanting line, attach it with a upward slanting line. It becomes our letter capital V. Now let's learn how to write small v children. Mark a small slanting line towards the downward direction. Mark a small slanting line in downward direction. Attach it with a slanting line in upward direction. It becomes our small v. Capital V and small v look same, but capital V is bigger in size and small v is small in size. Capital V is to be written in 3 lines from the first line up till the third line in your 4 rule notebook, and small v is written in the middle 2 lines only. Small v is written in the middle 2 lines. Capital V is written in the first 3 lines in your 4 rule notebook. So we have learnt how to write capital V and small v in our today's class. Practice writing the letters from A to U and also practice writing the letter V in your notebook, and also practice identifying the letters from A to V until the next class. Let's meet in the next class. Bye children.